The designer interface gives business users and graphic designers an intuitive drag-and-drop environment that will allow them to create rich and interactive dashboards with minimal development knowledge. Click on the design canvas and use the Properties grid to change the dimensions of the dashboard, change the background color to your branding requirements, or perhaps add your own logo. The toolbox on the left contains elements that you can simply drag onto the canvas. Add visual elements to the canvas like rectangles, images, and vertical lines. Copy and paste elements that you can reuse. Drag data controls like bar charts onto the canvas and drop one or more KPIs onto them. You can even drag KPIs directly onto the canvas. Leverage the dozens of properties available for each control to customize the look and feel of each element. Change an individual data series, for example, to help convey trends more effectively. Add tooltips that will display the actual values of data points that you hover over with a mouse. With version 2, you can import existing styles or save new ones to rapidly apply your own styles across one or more dashboards. You can also create dashboards based off of your own templates and update changes across all of the dashboards that have been derived from them. Drag a legend control onto the canvas to help users understand what each of the data series represent, and activate them by clicking on the data control and hooking them up in the legend property. Add labels to help users understand what each of the controls represent. Show all of the remarks that have been made on the various KPIs by dragging an annotation list control onto the dashboard. You can also customize the appearance of an individual axis, modify or delete titles, and apply formatting to the labels. On certain charts, like line charts, it may be helpful to disable the Start from Zero property to allow users to compare smaller variations easier. To add two date range pickers to the top of the dashboard, add a parameter, select the KPIs you want to act upon, select which filters you want to use for each, regular filters for this example, choose a selection type, and confirm what default values you want to display. Now, simply drag the date parameter onto the canvas and resize accordingly. To add a grain picker to the top of the dashboard, add another parameter, select the KPIs you want to act upon, select the grain filters for each, and confirm the default granularity. Now, simply drag the grain parameter onto the canvas and resize if necessary. To set up a drill down, click on the Controls context menu and launch the drill down wizard. With version 2, you can drill down within the same dashboard, launch another dashboard, and even drill down to another URL. Choosing a different cursor to appear over the data points might help let end users know they can click on them. Then, simply confirm what parameters you want to pass and click on Finish to close the wizard. Let's click on the home screen and double-click the dashboard we just created to view the final product. An interactive dashboard with rich visualizations created within minutes. That concludes this video. Don't forget to try the online demo, watch some of our other videos, or request a live demonstration with one of our representatives. Thanks for watching.